Hello everyone, myself Master Sayyed Shayaz from Chhatrapati Sambhajiraje Global School Engineer College Ambajogai. Today I am here to take an interview of a great personality, respected advocate Madhav Jadhav sir, who is a great social worker, a successful lawyer, a kind and a good teacher, and a social and a politician. So sir, please tell us how can you manage all these fields at once?
Good morning, Sayas. As you have referred me as a great social worker, successful lawyer, a good and kind teacher, and a politician, I just want to tell one thing that since my childhood till this moment, I just prepare my plan, tomorrow's plan yesterday. Tomorrow's plan I kept in my mind what I have to do, I shall have to do tomorrow. That plan I have prepared in my mind today, or day before today, or yesterday. And for that plan, I have to manage my time. And I just trying to make a plan, and it should be completed, and for completion time management is the most important factor in life, and one can do all things, but he has to make a plan, and for that plan he has to manage the time, how to do all these things during particular period. And time management is the most important thing in my life, due to which I can do, or I am going to do all these things at one time.
Yeah. So, sir, secondly, I would like to ask you, how did you choose your career field and who inspired you?
My career has been chosen by my own inspiration. Just as you referred me, and you have given me 3 4 my different professions. Since my childhood, I just want to become a good human being. I have not prepared any plan. There was no any kind of goal before me. But just one thing is that I have to serve for the people, and I want to become a good human being in my life. And that's why after completion my education, as I have completed my MA English B.Ed, and I joined the profession of teacher, and I served there for 2 years. But my mind was not prepared for that because I want to accept the challenges in my life. And as I have completed also my LLB, and therefore I wanted to leave the job of teacher and started my profession of lawyer as a career. But only lawyer or advocacy is not limited for my goal or my, because I want to become a good human being. That's the my aim, my goal. And for that, since the time of education, taking education as a student, I have been serving for the people, needy people. And for that purpose also, as my choose my career as a lawyer, also as a teacher, I have been teaching the students. I have been giving my knowledge to the students which I have get or got from the my education. I just want to share my knowledge to everybody, and that's why all these professions, teacher or the lawyer, that is the most important career. And along with the lawyer, I have been doing the social work. Also, I am active in the political party. But inspiration of my career is my parents, family members, my teachers, professors. But most important thing for all these inspiration is self motivation. Those who want to become a successful in life, they have to be self motivated. Self motivation and inner inspiration of your soul.
Yes.
If we accept our own inspiration, if we follow our soul's directions, our inner directions for well or good human beings, we can achieve anything. And that is the my most important inspiration for my career. Yes, it's all.
I would like to ask that who always motivated you to study hard and achieve more in your future?
My grandma, grandpa, my parents, my father, my mother, my uncle, always inspiring me to or motivated me to do the hard work, because without hard work there is no success in life. And my family members have been doing a lot in their life. They have done a lot of things. They have done a hard work, much hard work. And I have taken from them the quality of hard work. But only hard work is not necessary for becoming a success. Hard work is the most important factor, but perseverance, continuation, devotion, dedication, determination, these are the most important factors. If we determine to do anything, for that we have to do the hard work. And therefore, all these qualities already possessed by my family members, and from them I learned that if I want to become a good human being, or if I want to become or achieve my success or goal, I have to do the hard work. And knowledge is the power of all the people, persons or students. If we possess the knowledge, everyone can give you respect, everyone can salute you, because knowledge is the most important thing since ancient time till this moment. And for getting knowledge, we have to do the only study.
Yes.
We have to spend our time for getting the knowledge of various fields, and that is the most important factor. And on the basis of that, I have achieved my goal or success, and I become the good human being personality trying to be, and that is the most important. It's all.
Yes, sir. Now, sir, I would like to ask you that what message do you want to deliver to the youths and the students to be more successful in the future like you are?
Youths and the students are the future of our nation, and it's my suggestion to all students and the youths: you are the future of this nation, you are the future of your family members, you are the future of your village, town, state. And if you want to do anything special in your life, you have to be honest with your profession. You have to do the hard work. You have to prepare a plan in life. And you should be manage the time to do the things which you want to achieve in your life. Honesty is the best policy in life, but not only in speaking but also with our profession, with our duty. Just I want to tell you one thing, that now you are the student, and it's your duty to spend your time for getting the knowledge, for achieving the various kinds of knowledge, or in which field you are interested. You have to focus on those things, but you have to study the regularly.
Yes.
Do study for your own future with honestly. Do study, do get the knowledge for your own future, for your own career, not for the ambition of your parents, not for the teachers, as the teachers are telling us that students do hard work, do study regularly, and you will achieve the success, or you will get the more marks in the examination. And if you are going to study hard or regularly, because of the teacher are telling you, or teacher or parents are compelling you, and because of that, if you are going to study regularly, you will not get success, or you will not achieve your goal. Do any work for your own career, for your own satisfaction, with honest. You should be honest with your own soul, not for the others. And if we honest with our own inspiration, with our own soul, we can get anything in life. Nothing is impossible in this world, in this universe. Everything can be achieved by any student, any youth, but he has to be honest for that profession or for that field. And you have to do everything without fear, because if we fear, we can't do anything. Without fear, you have to do that things with honestly. You can achieve anything in your life. It's all.
So, sir, how can we choose the career field at what we are good and we can go on with it in future? That because of that career field are very hard to choose by a student or a youth. So,
Nothing is hard in this universe. Other thing about career is that everyone has his own interest. It's my own opinion that parents should not compel the students to choose the particular career or to field, or teachers should not compel the students to choose particular field or career. We should leave it on the students or the youths or our generations as per their interest. And if we give, we provide, we support the students or the generations, coming generations, as per their interest to choose any career, what will happen then? He will do a lot in that particular field, in that particular career with his own interest. And it's all.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for your valuable time.
Thank you very much.